Hey guys, RR Expert here. Let's do some trading. It's the 20th of February. So our first trade, let's not talk a lot. Let's just show the evidence of the things that I'm claiming. I haven't really done my analysis, so let's see. What is this? Yeah, it's like the 5. So again, I'm gonna trade on the 5-second charts because I'm getting a lot of messages. With the request of doing this. So that's what I'm gonna do. So there's a lot of volume. Let me see on the 1 minute. I just came home, you know. Let me see if there is some news or not. Let me see. Was there news today? I don't know. It doesn't. It is not. It's not relevant. But what we do here is looking live at the charts, you know. So we're not just guessing or anything. And this is what we try to do. We try to scalp these moves. Yeah. And again, things I'm teaching is stuff like this. Like, be careful when you're trading E-minis with these kind of volume. You might want to go to micros or even nano. You know, just to be sure you're not getting wrecked. You know. So on the 4 hour, this is what I'm looking at. So it seems like it's not really saying anything. So what I'm looking at is, does it want to leave this area or not? And just waiting for that, you know. So yeah, let's enter again here. Let me see. So unfortunately, it was only 30, but again, the method I'm doing is basically this, you know. So it does seem that the price does want to go down, you know. But again, I'm not the type who's like using higher time frames to get this move, for example. Yeah, and you have to be a very patient person, but I'm not really patient. I just want to do some scalps, max 30 minutes, and then quit. But obviously, the higher time frames are relevant because you want to have an idea or a sense of where the price might go. So basically, these are the 3 things that I'm doing, you know. So and you start here. This is the first thing. You need to have some understanding of the markets, and then you try to look for opportunities, and then you master this by let me go long here. Didn't fill, but again, it doesn't fill. Okay. So again, guys, this obviously I'm talking and looking. You know, obviously I would have entered sooner, but I just want to like also show some trades instead of just talking, because of there's so much bullshit, you know, scammers and these fake gurus. So I apologize if the trades are not really that good, but I just want to show the evidence of the logic. So this, I'm talking about this. So this, you can learn price action through logic. So because there is logic to what I'm doing. And the word reasoning is also very important, because the thing that, so logic doesn't mean it is factual. So I'm not saying something factual is going on. It's just we try to look for confluences and then use logic and reasoning for our entries. So that's basically what I'm saying. And again, this is what I'm doing. So you can also let it run. You can do 1 trade a day. You can do 15 trades a day. It depends on what your style is. So I'm gonna enter again here. Let me see. So yes, again, my eyesight is not good, so I have to like really look where these price levels are. Obviously, you're not gonna like risk this amount, guys. This is what I'm saying. What I'm saying with reasoning, So you're reasoning with yourself. You're not gonna say, "I'm gonna enter here for no." So because obviously you want to put your stop loss somewhere, so you might want to calculate. I don't even know if there is like an indicator, but surely there's an indicator or a very fast way of calculating the risk. Again, consolidating, if you've been watching my videos, so when it does this, I just want to see the confirmation of it going up or down. And then, so let's say if the price does want to go up, we just gonna look for data, that has already happened. So look, if you zoom out, there is no data here. So obviously you have to look on the higher time frames. But if it does want to go up, we have references. We have this here, this here, this here. So and this is what I'm saying. So I kept looking for longs. I'm just looking where there might be a small pullback. So all my trades have been longs, I think, or maybe I don't know, but I think most of them were longs. And so obviously the trend is biased. So you might argue, why not looking for shorts? I don't know. I'm just seeing something, with the things that I know, and I'm just entering where I think there's going to be a high probability entry. This is the thing with consolidations. So it went. I wouldn't really say that this attacked this, but this definitely attacked this. And this is what always happens. I've given many examples that the price does this, and then suddenly does this. Yeah. So yeah, again, for the new guy, if you're new, you're gonna be confused. But basically, what I've taught to many people is this, and then let me see. Some people talk about something like this. I don't know, like a bear flag or anything. I don't know what they do. And then they're looking for patterns or a confirmation. And again, I don't subscribe to this stuff. And I haven't seen the proof, and I think this is all luck, in my opinion. Price is, price action is just looking at levels, important levels. So the people that know me now, like the 4-hour candle is gonna close, and then we're gonna try and see and anticipate. So we don't know, but we're gonna anticipate. So like in 40 seconds, let's see what the price does want to do. So when you have this amount of volume, guys, and you have a good broker and these kind of stuff. So again, it's not financial advice or anything, but when you talk about risk management, these are all the things that you should take in consideration. Okay, so the 4-hour candle opens. Let me see on the 15-second charts, because that's how I normally use. So I'm using the 15-second charts in relation to the 4-hour chart. Again, I'm gonna try to look for a long, because when the price is trending, you don't know, like, does it want to like attack this first, or it seems like it kind of respects everything where it touches, on the upside. So this is the upside of this thing here, and here it doesn't even come here. But so yeah, it's kind of difficult. Yeah. So if you want to learn this stuff, DM me. Again, if you join the Discord, a lot of people, they pretend they're me. Just talk to me in the general chat, and then I'll contact you. Okay, guys, have a good day, man. Bye bye.